Also, that people, they are listening. Say, this is not the new country people are talking of, but their own person is calling it a terrorist. People may not understand what she's really doing or what she's saying. And you get me? To her, she may say, "Oh, I'm just joking." But you can't use this kind of things to joke. And you get me? This a whole nation, a whole country of over 80 million. You are calling, saying that the country is a terrorist country. For what reason? And you get me? Maybe she just want to. Maybe I don't know how I will put it. Maybe she just want to make saga. Just want to come on air, talk anyhow, so that she can get view. But you are using it to damage a whole nation. It's very bad. I think we should call spade a spade. What she's doing is very wrong. They should call her to order. If it is a thing to sue her, they should sue her. We should see. A time has come that we should not look back that, oh, this is our Biafra brother, this is our Biafra sister. We should just it's not so. We should start dealing with these people now. Do you get me? So that other people will see them and take correction. Do you get me? That is what I believe it will help. Because most of them that will just come out, open my talk anyhow. Our host DPN, they are insulting her every day and then. Nobody to talk because they know how to talk. It's not so now. It's not so. They don't do things that way now. You get me?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I pray that God should. Then I want to tell you again, like my name, you get me, is Terr0ri. Terr0ri. That last arrow you normally put Terr0ri is no.
Yeah,
Terr0ri.
Are you the one that is talking to me?
Yes, now. I'm the one.
You know,
Terr0ri.
What that Terr0ri? What does it mean? Can you tell us the meaning of that name?
You see, the full meaning is very long. It's about 15 letters, so I short it. Okay, let me call the full meaning. Let me call the complete sentence. Actually, in about Terr0ri, meaning the ones that the world is good for. You get me? The ones that the world is good for, like Biafra, the ones Biafra is good for. You get me? So that is the full meaning. But I'm not shorting it because of the lengthy spelling, which is about 15 to 16.
The one that is good for, like, let me understand it.
The one that the word is good for.
Okay. You know, I am using Igbo because as Igbo will sound like that. Terr0ri. So Terr0ri in Igbo language means that God is the one that, like, God is the one, like God is one that choose. I don't know how to translate. Choose, yeah, like choose position or blessing, you know, or share. Like God is one that share blessing to people, like just like that, like Terr0ri. So I was thinking that is the same way. So. No, sorry for pronouncing it wrong.
No, it's okay now. It's okay. You know, like Biafra now, we have a lot of languages. Yeah. You get me? So person will not know all. You understand? I'm okay, and you try a lot. You get me?
Terr0ri, right? Terr0ri.
Yeah, Terr0ri.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate you. God bless you.
Williams Terr0ri. So I'm okay with that.
Okay, William.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm so happy. You know, the former WhatsApp number you were using, I saved it more than 3 times. It didn't go, but this one now, I think this one is okay.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, brother.
Yes, sir.
That is our Biafran brother there, and I have someone that called. You can just keep the call coming because I may not be able to call everybody. I'm Mecca Toki. Okay, Mecca Toki. Are you the one that called now or another person called? Let me check. Did you call? Mecca Toki. Okay, let me return this call. And somebody says something, you know.
Yeah, Kai TV.
Chairman, good morning.
My brother, good morning.
Thank you, man.
Thank you, man.
At the moment, are you?
Thank you, man.